Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for joining us back in the Junior Block series. Let's have a quick recap of the last video. In the last video, we learned how to use motion and looks blocks together to make Tobi say, walk and get bigger. Let's quickly look at the solution of the DIY activity. The DIY activity was to make Tobi reappear and walk. Let's see how it gets done. Now, let's make a script to reappear Tobi and then walk. Let's first make Tobi disappear. Using the hide block, Tobi will disappear. We have to drag the show block from the looks category, then go to the motion blocks, drag the forward block and snap it. We will use the change costume blocks from the looks category to add animation and select Tobi walking one costume. Just repeat the activity from the previous video and the final script is ready. Click on the code. It works! In this video, we will learn how to use the play code button and the events category blocks. Let's see how it's done. Drag this green flag block and add at the beginning of this code which we made in the last DIY activity. Now, let's play the script through the green flag given below the stage. This green flag is the play button and becomes handy in case multiple codes are running at the same time. We will see how in the upcoming videos. Let's grab the Start on Sprite Click event block to run the same code. Just drop it in the coding area. Now, grab all the blocks just after the green flag block and snap it to the Start on Sprite Clicked block. Now, if we click on Tobi, the code will run, but if we click on the green flag, it will not run. Now, let's hide Tobi by pressing spacebar. Let's drag the Start on Key Pressed block. See the icon that shows pressing the spacebar? Snap the hide block to it. Now, if you press the spacebar, Tobi's gone. I'm sure that you know how to get it back. It's time to play with the DIY activity. You have to write the code to make Tobi dance like this and introduce itself. To make Tobi dance, you can use turn blocks. So get ready to dance with Tobi and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.